Okay, another set of questions, SAT 2 level 1. If the measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1, 2, and 3, what is the ratio of the length of the smallest side to the triangle to the length of the longest side? First, let's find the angles. We have three angles in the ratio 1, 2, and 3. Let the three angles be x, y, and z. So x over 1 equal y over 2 equal z over 3. Also, we can find them like 1x, 2x, 3x. I prefer this way. Is equal to, according to the properties of proportionality, we can add the numerators, we can add the denominators. We are going to get the same answer like the other way. Sum of angles of triangle 180, x plus y plus z over 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer will be 30. Now we can find x. X over 1 equal 30. This means x equal 30 degrees. Y over 2 equal 30. This means y equal 60. And z over 3 equal 30. This means z equal 90. So we got the triangle, which is 30, 60, 90. This triangle is what? Is semi-equilateral triangle or half equilateral triangle. Suppose this angle is 60. This angle is 30 and this angle is 90. Now, we know that in semi-equilateral triangle, the side faces the angle 30 is half the hypotenuse. Suppose the hypotenuse has length A, so this will be half A. And also, the side faces angle 60 is hypotenuse times radical 3 divided by 2. We can explain later on this formula, but here now we are using it. So what is the smallest length? For sure, it's the side faces the smallest angle. And what is the largest length? Longest side is the hypotenuse that faces the highest angle. So we multiply the means at the extremes, put them in the numerator, the means in the denominator, and the ratio of the smallest side to the longest side will be half in this case. So part 1 is correct. Yep, part 1 is correct. Is the correct answer, 1 over 2. And this is makes sense, right? Because since the side faces angle 30 is half the hypotenuse, so the ratio between this side, which is the smallest side, and the largest side, longest side, which is hypotenuse, is half, right? Second question. Second question is, we have this figure, and we have two questions on it. First, we have to find the area of triangle PRT. Area of triangle PRT. Triangle PRT is this triangle inside. To find its area is to find the area of the rectangle first. Area of rectangle, we can find it. Area of PQRS, given as rectangle. Its length times width. And what is the length? It's given as 7. The width is given as, the length given as 7. The width given as 3. So the area is 21. And we can find also the area of triangle PQR. Since triangle PQR is right triangle because this angle is 90, angle of rectangle, then we can use half base times height. We know that if we consider the base as 7, the height will be as 3, and the answer will be 21 divided by 2, it's 10.5. Now we want to find the area of triangle PST. How to find the area of PST? Knowing that QR is 3, opposite sides of rectangle are equal, so this is 3. If in the right triangle we have 3, 5, then the third side will be 4. They are proportional, the sides of rectangle, by 3, 4, and 5. Also, we can do what? We can find it by Pythagorean. Pythagorean says the hypotenuse square, which is PT square, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, which is PS square plus ST square, and we need to find ST. So ST square should be equal PT square, which is, we have it 5, the PT square 25, and we take PS to its side, so it will be minus. PS we know it's 3, so it's 9. PS squared, the answer is 16. This means the length of ST the length of ST is equal to 4. Length of ST is equal to 4. Okay. Then what do we have here? We can find the area of triangle PST, and it is half base times height. Also, it's right at S, so it's half base. If we consider the 4 as base, then the height will be 3. There's 90 between them. Half times 12, it's 6. Now, what is the area of triangle PRT? Area of triangle PRT is equal area of rectangle subtracted from it area of triangle PQR, and subtracted from it also area of triangle PST. We find it as 21 minus 7 minus 16.5. 21 minus 16.5. The answer will be 4.5, and we are done from this question. Correct answer is B, 4.5. Okay, one more. One more. What is the perimeter of triangle PRT? Also the perimeter. We need to find the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter of the middle triangle here, PRT. Means we have to find the sum of the sides. First, we have this is 5. PT is given as 5. RS, all of it equal to QP because it's 7. So PT is 3 because we found that TS is 4. We still need to find PR. Also, we can find PR by Pythagorean. To apply Pythagorean here, PR square, right, should be equal to QP square, which is 7 square. Let's directly say it's 49, plus RQ square, which is 9. The answer is 58. If PR square is 58, then PR is radical 58. Now, if this is radical 58, what is the perimeter of triangle PTR? It's sum of the sides, so it's a 3 plus 5 plus radical 58. 3 plus 5 plus radical 58. And the answer is 8 plus radical 58. And the correct answer will be part B. Will be part B. 8 plus radical 58. And that's it.